Hey guys, today I'm going to go over how I put on my fake eyelashes. This is so easy, so easy. So I'm going to take my lash bond, little goes a long way, put it on your lashes. So you're going to go in with the side. Squeeze it and done. It is so easy to use these and it gives you full glam look. And then I'll go in with the smaller one for the corner. Squeeze it a little, and there you have it. Full glam there. And then what you're gonna do after that, you take your lash seal and you brush it on and seal it up. These will last all day.